Hello everyone. So we are back in the day 8 of our YouTube channel. So till now, what we were doing? We were doing the problem statement definition, then breaking down the problem, then moving ahead we designed the wireframe of the project. So in the wireframe, what we found out? We found out that based on a wireframe, we can design the UI of the application, which can go into the front-end application. So now we are on that page. So you can see we have built multiple wireframes of different pages, and now we are moving towards UI. So now we will be building the UI for the sign up. We are building the UI for sign up page, login page, and now we are moving towards home page. So let me rename it first. Home page, right? So in the in the sidebar we can see we have used the linear gradient, and now I can see that the color of this button seems not good. So let's change it. So to find out, again we will go to the palette and we will select one of those colors which can suit that part. So I think this could be much better, mint green or ice blue. So for that part, let's take it a mint green, and then get back to that to change its color. So now it's custom, so paste it here. So yeah, it's look good. Or and let me do this for this thing as well. So for this, let's go this and choose black. So I think it looks good. Or we can check the other colors as well. Or steel blue could be much better option because that would be a dark option. Uh, the older one was one much better, right? So darker could not be go there. So let's select the light color, either this or this. So let's go this way. So let's try this as well, ice blue. So I can see ice blue looks better with this, right? Yeah. So let's finish this here. And now similarly for it, fill is that, and we will select custom. Fill for this again is the same, ice blue. All right. So what we can see, so now we require home page to have the images which we want to have it here. And I want image to be like this way. Copy pasting these things. But I want a smaller. Now it's look good, and here we can add the username. So let's suppose the username is Jack again. So let me add a text whose it is. So it should be this vertically aligned. This could be bold, right? and then we can have a tab space around this much space, and then written about, let's suppose, something like this. This is this photograph click by dot more, and more can have another color or some darker colors. Choose from the palette outer space color. So it can be a clickable link which can become more to add more and less, right? And now you can even add profile here if you want. Let's make it of the same height and width. So now let's copy paste these things or make it a group itself. Post. So now it's copy and then paste again. Post 1, post 2, paste 3, see it could be a scrollable and it could be increasing. This server will be fixed. And now we have completed the homepage UI. So let's suppose we move to the again this part and progress it to the done part, and then move ahead with the another UI part. So what we did, we will discuss that. Then next thing we are doing is the profile page. So let's go back to the profile page and let's start doing that in progress. So we are still in the progress part of profile page. What we did, we just used the flattened part to add a flatten to it. And what we did, we just flatten it inside the, oh sorry, we added the effect, sorry. We added the effect on which part? Flatten the image on the part of vector. We converted it to a vector, and what we did, we pasted it like a from here, like you can see. Made it a vector and fixed it inside the page. So let's see how it looks. Based on that, we can even edit that. Here, it's opening, loading. Let's check another page. This, and this. So now third one doesn't look fit. So what we will do? We will get back to it and edit it. So we will remove vector. All right, now it's we have added this here, and now let's check how it looks. See, now the image is there, right? Half image. Similarly, it will go scrollable, and you can do like that. Now let's move ahead with the profile page. Similar to the UI, what there is change, there's a form that will change, or the content of the home page will change. So yeah, so first we will remove this thing, and avatar looks the same thing. So let's go back here and add an avatar at similar position. It's a profile page, so let's write up it's a profile page. UI profile. And now it should again have a box or not. So I guess box should not be there. It could, you can choose to have your boxes. I choose the boxes should not be there. Let's copy paste these items. This item should be there. We can make it better here. Again, Again, we will add stroke from outside to bottom, and width could be 8. Right? And now again, button color could be different. It should be dark here. So let's check it out. Different color from again the palette, the gunmetal or outer space or steel blue. These three options we have. So it's a submit button. Let's select the steel blue color and let's add and check it. It doesn't look good, right? So let's get back to color. Let's check the outer space. And what could more be done with that? This 70% blend looks fine, right? So again, we will add the icons. So where the icon come from? It will come from here. We'll see. This part, Control V. Yeah, it look good. So I guess password should not be compulsory. Anything could be compulsory. So now we know password could be here. That should be not visible. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's suppose it could be anything. It could be anything. And let's say username is Jack. Email is something like jack@email.com. Have some smaller font. Just adding the menu logos. Increase its size. Right? Now the last part is phone number. So it must go on like this way, and the text box which is here, it contained, let's say, 9143 XXXXX, and font should be a bit smaller. Right? Right. So this button should be there for update, and there could be option to edit that can enable all this. So let's add that button. So where we find the button, again we will find here, and let's say edit. So which one looks good? I think this one looks good, so we will pick this one and place it here. Sort of this thing have color, so what the color should have, it should have this color. So yeah, it's look good, right? I think this could have better effect if we found it 100%. Yeah, so it will be a clickable link which will make it this editable, otherwise it will remain uneditable, and then the submit button will be enabled. So this page should have UI like this, right? So again we have created the profile page, and let's update this in our tracking device that we have created the profile page. So yeah, we are done with the profile page today itself. So we have developed two pages today. One is the home page in a better way, formatting all these things. So let's suppose we keep it in center, moving it to center. This should be in center. Moving this as well. Let's move it up a bit. So now it's look good. Everything aligned to the center. This image too. And let's suppose we want to add a effect. Background blur. Instead of add a progressive, start with 0 to 100. So yeah, this could be good enough to start with. Home page, then good to go with the, we have edited that, so let's delete this and add that. Now send it to back, right? Also, let's copy this as well. C, Control V. Delete here. Delete, paste. Paste here. Delete. Yeah. So now we are here and we are done with the basic thing of this page as well, both the pages. So let's stop it here and let's finish our chat stream. So whatever we learned today, we learned about progressing the UI development of homepage as well as the profile page. So it's the basic pages. So we can come back to this and again edit this in the next iteration, and we can make it better and better if we don't like that during the runtime or some anything like that. So we are building all those things. So let's join tomorrow with the journey. We will make the post pages and notification page tomorrow with the UI. I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay, bye. Thank you.